Why does it look like I have too much white space here?
And you're going the wrong way. It's backwards.
No. Yeah, but I have too much white space. I need to come this way. More.
Okay. There, that's good.
There we go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. I'm struggling, you guys. This is like 20 pounds.
That's nice. It's not bad.
And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very special day because I am introducing my boyfriend slash better half, Chris
and crush,
Chris, and my beautiful baby, Chloe.
Chloe Cocoa Puff.
Yes.
Say hi, Chloe.
Hi, everyone.
She's a little kind of.
She's shy. She's shy. She'll get acclimated. But I am so excited because today I am doing something different. I'm doing a vlog slash a couple of things that I'm doing for October season to get in the mood for Halloween, and one of them, which is the one that I'm super excited about, is this pumpkin. We decided to glam them up by using spray paint. You know, if you have seen my holiday video, you know how obsessed I am with spray paint, metallic spray paint. So I did this so it matches with the rest of my living room. So stay tuned. You can watch the entire video and see step by step how I transform these regular pumpkins into glam decorations. And also we're gonna be talking about a scary movie that we just saw because Chris took me out for a date night to get
Took her on a date night. She can't handle scary movies, and I figure it's Halloween, so we need to see something scary, and you'll be surprised. It was good.
It was so good, you guys. Even the name of the girl was Maria, so it was kind of like just, you know, this twisted movie. So we'll talk about that. We're gonna be going to the pumpkin patch to actually get the pumpkins that I just showed you guys. So we're just gonna show you this amazing little pumpkin patch. It's really popular here in LA.
And you'll get to see Chloe riding in like a little cart.
Yes. She's being a little brat. Normally she doesn't like to be in the car, so she has to be like strapped in like a seatbelt style. So we're trying this new thing. It kind of is working.
So can I tell you guys something? Maria never knows where to go. She's always getting lost.
This way.
And sometimes I leave her to see how far she'll go.
I don't know. It just looked like it was that way, but it wasn't. I think this shape could work, but I want something that kind of has the stem.
You're gonna get a lot of small ones, or you're gonna get like big ones?
Different ones. So I think that I wanted to do like this. I grabbed this one. I think this is kind of quirky looking. I really like this shape. So I grabbed this one. I think this is bananas cute. So here we go. We kind of have our theme going on so far.
Chloe.
What do you guys think?
Nice.
Alright guys, so now we're getting ready to glam up these pumpkins. These are the pumpkins that I picked up at the pumpkin patch, and now we're gonna use basically my old spray paints that I used for the holiday video. I'm gonna be using it to decorate the pumpkins, and I want to do the same color theme. I want to do the gold rose that I used for the holiday ornaments, and then this one, which is just metallic gold. Started. Alright guys, so now we're going to proceed with the smaller size pumpkins, and I'm going to spray paint these gold. Ooh, this one came out. There's a lot of spray. Alright guys, so now we're gonna proceed with the orange pumpkins, and I'm gonna spray paint them gold rose. Reasons why I love spray painting is because it dries so quickly. Like literally we just did this and it's already dry, so I'm just gonna turn it around or flip it around and make sure that I cover the spaces or the areas that I couldn't get to. Moving these babies around so they can dry up, and now we're just gonna use the gold spray paint and finish the pumpkins. And now we can let it sit for a little bit longer, and I'm gonna leave this natural, you guys, just because I feel like they're so cute on their own. Just a very natural ivory color. And that's it. This is what we're gonna now spread out in my house and figure out where we're gonna put it. I'm thinking maybe the dining table and the coffee table. Alright babes, so this is the final result. Now you can see it, how it looks live, like with my decor that I have going on, which is very similar. I have a lot of gold rose, I have a lot of gold. I just absolutely love this combination. I'm not getting sick of it. I actually think that I'm like more pumped up for the holiday season. Okay guys, here are the pumpkins. They look so cute. They almost look like candles, like the little ones. I feel like they look like candles, but they're so cute, and it took almost no time, you guys. This is such a easy way to transform your, just transform anything. In this case, I'm doing the pumpkins. I think that they're so cool. I haven't really seen a lot of people doing this, and I'm just like super excited because I think it looks so cute. Let me just give you a different shot from it. Introducing ourselves, I guess, for the first time. We want to kind of get started with this vlog stuff, so I wanted to introduce my family, Chris, Chloe, and basically just introduce ourselves to you guys so you guys get to know us a little bit better. So I guess for you guys that already know me, my name is Maria de la Cruz.
And my name is Christopher Dixon Capranos.
His name is Christopher Dixon. And Chloe Cuckabuff. And we live in Los Angeles. We've been dating for over 10 years. We work together, you guys. We started an online fashion company together. It's called Haute and Rebellious, and we work together. We met in college.
Chico State.
Chico State, whoop whoop. I went to business school and also went to fashion school here in Los Angeles at FIDM, the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising. And I guess I worked as a designer for 2-3 years, and then I was a blogger. I was blogging on the side as a hobby, and then
not that big of a hobby. She had 1 million views in her first year.
So because of that, and because people were always asking me like what I was wearing and all this stuff, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna start my own store, and I did, and then the rest was history. I basically it happened so quickly, it happened so fast, and I was really passionate about all of it. So it's from merchandising, styling, buying, just creating everything, the graphic work and everything.
And I love working with my crush. It's amazing.
Yes, and we're so excited to take you with us so you can see what we do, because we're kind of like out of the ordinary. We're very young and we're doing this, we're working together. Now we're gonna show you guys basically more about our life, like what we do, like, places that we like to go here in Los Angeles. And I really like fashion and I'm really into like house stuff. So definitely I wanna give you guys like a home tour and like a closet tour and start just talking more about just fashion tips and things that we have to do to become savvier, and anything related with that, and also beauty, lifestyle, travel. So it's just gonna be everything that we're into, and I am so excited because if you're doing this for the first time, it's so nerve-wracking to like turn the camera on and start talking and start doing things, and it's just so many things that you kind of have to like do to be able to get started. So I'll walk you guys through everything that I do, every little thing that I learn about YouTube, because I'm new to YouTube. So I'm super excited to get that chapter kind of check and going. And what else? Hopefully Chris can kind of start coming more on board and showing us his side of fashion and tips and tricks. He's very MacGyver-ish. He like fixes everything. We're very like DIY people. Like we love decorating together. We love fixing the house, making things work. So we can definitely start showing you guys all our little tricks that we do. And what else?
Should we talk about the movie?
Okay, so let's talk about this movie, you guys. So
first of all, it's called Look Away. So if you guys are smart, now's the time to look away.
No, you should go see it because it was really cool. It's available on movie theaters and iTunes. I'll be putting the link down below so you guys can just go click.
Check it out.
Exactly.
It's pretty good.
And you can even watch it at home, popcorn, nowadays it's kind of like the thing. And we absolutely love the movie. It has a good cast.
So first of all, we went to a theater in LA we've never been to. We've been in LA for like 8 years now. And this theater, it's the Los Feliz Theater. Never been there. It's a historic landmark theater, super old school vintage. And getting there, we just like realized we've been in the area for many other things, never noticed a theater there. So we get there and it kind of got this eerie vibe. We showed up late at night and
it's called the Vintage Los Feliz Cinema, and it's really cool because it has this like taqueria next to it, and I love tacos, so I'm like, oh, I really like, yeah, so it was really cute. It's like in Los Feliz, it's very hipster, like it just has like that really cool vintage vibe. So we were like super excited just by seeing the cinema and just just a little bit of like history. And
we haven't been to the movies in real life, IRL, for a long time.
Yes.
So it was exciting. We got popcorn.
Yes, the whole shenanigans.
We actually met some friends there, old friends that we hadn't seen for a long time.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
So the movie was really cool because it was like a thriller, a psychology thriller.
Psychological thriller.
Psychological.
Messes with your mind.
Yeah, and it's just, it's all about basically she had a sister, I guess, and then she basically, I don't want to say too much about it, but
don't give it away.
But it's kind of like the mirror situation is that she's looking at her on the other side of the mirror, and she's basically confused between these two personalities and these two types of woman. One that is very shy, and the other one that's very like determined and just kind of like the fierce side of her. And it gets really twisted because the mom and the dad, they're just like, they have like a weird relationship, and she's upset because she doesn't understand like what's going on, and then they're separating, they get a divorce, and then she's like bullied at school, and then she would never stand up for herself, like, and this was the shy girl. Even though that she was like really nice inside, she just didn't have like the balls, I guess, to just like mark her territory and say like enough. So she kind of trades a deal with her other self. And you guys have to see it. It's so cool. Like
the entire movie, you're kept at the edge of your seat. It's suspenseful, but in a really well done way.
Yeah.
And my interpretation is like the Twilight movies, but within more of like a psychological thriller aspect. But it's still very hip and modern, but it's also at the same time really interesting, and it keeps you guessing the entire time. And even when the movie finally ends, you still are like
good music. I always look for good soundtracks. It was definitely very hip. Like I really liked it. It was just like,
it was just a good movie.
Yeah, it was well done. It was very like fresh. Like that's how I could say it was a very fresh movie, and we liked it. And it definitely leaves you in the end like thinking. you just think about, you know, just actions. What
kind of reminds you of like the old movies, when you go to the movies and you would like talk about it and you'd be inspired. And now it's like, you know, you see a movie and it's like so blah, and it really was like it was a cool movie. Like, I liked
so
it.
we totally recommend it, you guys.
She got scared once, which was it. But like normally she goes crazy.
But I was kind of tripped out. Like I literally, I have.
We shouldn't spoil it. But there was one point when she got really freaked out. I wish I could have captured it on camera somehow.
Yes, because I don't like blood.
But don't say it. No, we can't say it. Okay. No, let's not say it.
All right, done. You guys gotta watch it.
You gotta watch.
Alright guys, so thanks again for watching. We are super excited to welcome you into our house, into our life, and we can't wait to start making more fun videos for you guys. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, like, comment, and follow. Find me on Instagram. Let me know what you think. I want to know your thoughts, and we'll see you guys until the next one.
So thanks so much for watching, and we're excited to share with you guys this new series we're doing where we share our personal experiences in our life, or basically our vlog of our lives. And so stay tuned until the next one, and we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, Chloe.
Bye, Banani.
Bye.
Bye, you guys.
Mwah.